Let's see if we can find out what's going on with this. The doctor went in and tried to fix it, made it worse, which is okay. I can fix it maybe. What he did here, and I hardly tell. Yeah, he kind of screwed it up. Let's see, right off the bat, that's in there backwards. First problem. Might have been all that's wrong with it. I'll get some stuff out of my toolbox if I can reach it. Chinese handpiece, pressure gauge. Well, look at that, it tells me you left something off of there. I'm supposed to have the sleeve in here, so that tells me he went in there. We shall see. We need to put this on here. The handpiece on. I screwed a quick coupler in one side. Put my test handpiece in. They're working most of the pressure. Hold that down so it don't knock my head off. Let's see if we got water. feel like I need to check and see why this sleeve is out here while we're here. Four more screws to take that cover off. Just checking this out. I think it's working. Gotta see where that sleeve needs to go back. Let's see what we got going on here. Well, it's got two sleeves on it. So that's just an extra sleeve. That might be when we change that tube out. Alright, you put it back together. Make sure it still works. We still got pressure. Sometimes you move something the wrong way and it'll get it all out of whack. Looking good. I thought our pressures on the handpiece are too high, so he must have went there and cranked that up too after he messed this up. Oh, there's somewhere in there. It is. Not all the way yet. Baby steps. The heck are these things? That one is hiding. There it is. check and see if those are tight enough in a second. That's usually where the leak would have been coming from. These are pretty snug. Yeah. Now, make sure we still got too much pressure. What works. This back over here. Put this quick coupler on. This is a quick coupler. There's several different brands and types, so you can snap your hand pieces on there pretty quick. If you're in dental, you know what it is, so I'm wasting my time. But anyway, if you're not, you want to know, you take that and you take that and you pull it off. Snap it on. Let's see, without water. Test this with the pressure gauge. Each one of these adjusts separately on the block in the unit over here, up there. That's the unit. You have to go inside of that. The speed should be 45 pounds, thereabout. Looking good. All looking good. I'll make sure they don't have anything else before I go. Hope not. Making good time. Syringe. This is an air water syringe. Floor if I don't watch it. That one is good to go. Now the job bites the dust. That's how you fix a rheostat, or that's how we fix that one. That's not how you fix every one. That one, he just had that top plastic cap upside down. It's in there right now. It's all working good. Thanks for watching. Southern Fried Knowledge. Bonus footage. Here's a quick peek inside my toolbox, my rolling toolbox. This is some of the stuff. We won't go through everything, but and it's full of goodies down there. It's got some more goodies behind that, some parts boxes and stuff and tie straps. That was the bonus footage. Thank y'all.